more active English.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I come to show my car.
Okay, sir. What problem do you have?
My car makes a strange noise.
When does the noise come?
It comes while driving.
Does it come from the engine?
Yes, I think so.
No problem. Please park the car here.
Okay.
I will check it now.
Thank you.
How old is your car?
It is 3 years old.
Do you service it regularly?
Sometimes, not always.
Regular service is very important.
I understand now.
Let me open the bonnet.
Sure.
I see some dust here.
Is it serious?
No, it is a small issue.
That is good.
But your engine oil is low.
Oh, I did not notice.
Low oil makes noise.
Okay. Please change it.
Sure, sir. But this will take 2 days.
Okay, I will come after 2 days.
Sure, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Is the workshop ready?
We have 3 cars for service.
Okay. Which car is first?
The white car is first.
What problem did the customer say?
He said the engine makes noise.
Did you check it?
Yes, sir. The oil level was low.
Good job! Did you change the oil?
Yes, I changed it already.
Any other issue?
The air filter was dirty.
Then clean it properly.
Okay, sir.
Which car is next?
The blue car is next.
What is the problem there?
The brakes were not working well.
That is serious. Did you fix it?
I checked the brake pads.
And
They were worn out.
Then change them.
Yes, sir. I'm doing it now.
Be careful with brakes.
Yes, sir. Safety is important.
Good thinking.
Sir, my phone is ringing.
Who is calling?
It is the white car customer.
He's calling again.
Yes, sir. He called 2 times already.
He is worried about his car.
Should I answer the call?
Yes, talk to him politely.
Hello, sir. Yes, your car. Work is going on.
What did he say?
He asked when the car will be ready.
Tell him the correct time.
I told him 1 more hour.
That is fine.
He sounded angry.
Customers feel tense sometimes.
Yes, sir.
Good communication is important.
I understand that.
After oil change, test the car.
Yes, sir. I will do a test drive.
Check the sound again.
I will check carefully.
If the problem stays, tell me.
Sure, sir.
we must give good service.
Yes, sir. Customers trust us.
A happy customer comes again.
That is true.
Finish the work on time.
I will, sir.
Good. Let us continue work.
Okay, sir.